Hey everybody, 11:58, 34 seconds, March 8th. This is the main drawing for the X-Men 100 and 101. Over here are the 24 filled spots. Alright, just wanted to go up and down. Let's roll our 3 dice. Number is lucky 13. Going to randomize 13 times. Name at the top of the list gets both books. I'm going to try to get them out today. A lot of monkey wrenches thrown in my day. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get by the post office. I might make a special trip on Saturday. I normally don't have time either on the weekends, but I'll try my best. Worst case, Monday. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here comes the final one. 13, spot 8, Will Lehman. Congratulations. Time is 11:59 and 40 seconds.